Freelancing sites do not work for beginners, especially in 2024. Period. Now, before we move on, if you have a rated profile, like you have 10 to 15 ratings or reviews on any freelancing platform, it is going to work for you. I am talking about people who have zero reviews, who are struggling for months to get clients on Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Guru, Jobs, and other platforms. I'm addressing those people. So if you have a rating, you are free to leave this video. But if you are someone who is planning to start on Upwork and Fiverr or any other freelancing platform for that reason, I'm telling you, this is not the way to go. When I started back in 2018, people who were doing freelancing, especially if we talk about the Asian market, like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, the quality was not there. The quantity was also not there. So at that time, if you could just come out with the quality content, you would win the gigs. Now you are competing with 9 to 5ers, people who are in full-time jobs, who are working night shift or whatever, God knows what kind of jobs. You are competing with every kind of crowd apart from the freelance crowd. And there is no way you can win your first gig based on your talent and hard work. People who want good quality of work, who are willing to pay the premiums, why would they choose you over a top rated profile on Upwork? Pause this video, answer it. Answered? Good. Second question. If someone is offering very low rates and they want someone to do the work, so I call it exploitation, people call it saving money or some other stuff, but think that a person who is hiring for that shit, why would you want to work with that person? An ideal client for every freelancer is who pays good, who communicates, and who pays good. Because pay is the only thing we want the most after we have worked so hard for it, right? But if you are competing with people who already have top rated profiles, how are you going to stand out? So, what you can do that they can't? And they even have the credible proofs. What about you? So you go on to the second segment where the pay is low, the workload is same, and the person is looking for a fresher. What is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen? You go over there with the best portfolio you can carry and you say that I want this job. And they be like, we have got someone who is ready to do it at a lower rate. So what you will do? Lower your rates. Once you start lowering your rates, there is no going back. You give your whole confidence, your whole persona, the whole personality, and the negotiation skills. You give all these things to the other person in a silver platter. Because then everyone is going to exploit you thinking that you are not sure about your pricing. You quote someone 10,000 and you came down to 6,000. The client would think that if I would have said 5,000, I would have said 1,000 rupees. So that's the kind of impression you are carrying there. And this is not the thing you would want to do. You don't want to be someone who is competing on price when you have the option to compete on quality. Rather, go on LinkedIn, maybe Instagram, maybe X. Go over there, build your own personal, I'll not say personal brand, I say personal profile, because brand is a different thing. Now, when people say you have a personal brand, what kind of brand do you have? Like, what is that? That's horse crap. Build your own personal profile. Because whatever you will be putting out there, first of all, it's going to be under your name. It will be yours. Your clients can see it. You can get more clients from there on. Your overall networking is getting better. You would learn how to reach out to people. People will also reach out to you. So there are so many opportunities that is not on Upwork, Fiverr, or any other freelance platform. And that's the reason I say, if you have the option to fight on price and quality, always choose quality, because then the odds of you winning are much higher. When you compete on price, there is always, and I say always, like if you are charging 0.10 rupees per word, there will be someone who is willing to do it at 0.05 RPW. If you do not believe me, post a job posting on Upwork and Fiverr and see what kind of people you get. And you will realize what kind of market we are in right now. If you have the option and you are just starting out, do not go to freelancing websites. They are the worst thing that you can do to start your career. Rather go onto some social platform where you have the full control of your profile. All right, where the things you post, the content you push out can bring clients, can do something good for you. So that is pretty much it for this short one. Also, my one-on-one personal mentorship and 11 plus hours of live classes batch enrollments are open. The last day to join is 26th January. I've made a whole separate video on this thing so you can watch it. Also, the link is in the description. So if you want to read what all I have to offer, you can either watch the video or you can just click on the link in the description and make the purchase and get one-on-one access to me. But yeah, hurry up because there are not many people I'm taking in. The numbers are limited. The seats are very limited. All right, I'll see you in there.